about application, what I liked is the badges basically, and the recent added configured. You have the comments you have configured on that, so that
Correct,
is
correct.
very good thing. And another thing is the what to say, the attendance and the leave part basically.
Okay.
So while the mobile application in terms of applying the leave, it is
Right.
showing us a great tremendous response from the employees on that basically on the mobile application. And the third thing is like complete support from your team. It's really, it's like I can give kudos to your team based on your support, like every day, every time. Like I can see Harshada, like minute to minute she calls Shivanshu on daily basis.
Okay.
So we got a complete support from them. Yes. First of all, we are very much overwhelmed with the response and from the employees especially. See, to give you a gist about the company, like we do almost all the HR functions manually, basically, and our most of the employees are located at site locations, and they are very well used of the technology, basically, to tell you. So then when we thought of HR1 to implement in our company, then we ran so much of analysis, we took so much of feedback from the employees, then we took this step actually. But it is tremendous support. We whatever we required, right, we have got it from your team, especially from Shivanshu and from Satya basically.
Right.
So my team is very much happy with the implementation part and how much they have supported continuously, and it changed so much of things in our company. Like, to
Right.
tell you, from module to module, actually we have seen a drastical improvement in terms of
Right.
response, in terms of feedback, and in terms of the process completion part especially, which
Right.
is
Right.
very quick. Recent one which we have done is appraisal through
Okay.
HR1. This is the first,
Right.
yeah. So first thing what we have done through HR1 complete process. And normally, to tell you, it takes almost 1 month for us to gather the applications and to do all
Correct.
360 analysis and then to do it. But
Right.
through this, right, through HR1 application, it majorly took 1 week time to do all the appraisal process, and it is like very much
Great.
appreciated from our management side as well. See, that is one good thing about the entire application, I tell you, because
Right.
see, somewhere around the HR as well as the management will some, because of the time lacking or something, we don't appreciate them immediately, like
Right.
whenever they did some great work. But this badges, right, like employees are giving to their own team members or their to the colleagues or to the peers, which they are
Right.
very much happy with it, and on everyday basis they are utilizing those badges, dedicating them. Even previously HR is not that much appreciable in the internally team or something. Even we have received so many badges from them
Oh,
after
great.
implementing this HR1 actually. So that is one good thing, because
Right.
most of our employees are in site locations,
Correct.
and we have to check them, like whether they are going to plaza or whatever it is, to
Right.
overlook them entirely. So it is working efficiently on that part. And we have seen some of the reports, we have generated, did some analysis on that as well. So
Right.
it is very good actually, and very impressive on that part in terms of mobile application. I can give you in 2-3 modules, about 2-3 modules. Payroll, easily it will take 7 to 8 days for us, because in aligning the attendance, leaves, and the loss of pays and everything together. Now we are
Right.
generating it in a day's time, which is
Okay.
highly a time constraint which we have saved over there. And in terms of appraisal, I can say previously there is no goal setting on application, or employee could see it directly, but now we have that KRAs, KPIs, and
Right.
appraisal. It minimum it will take 30 days for me to complete the appraisal process, to get the
Okay.
hard copies from site location. Now we have done it in a week's time. So
Oh,
you can
great.
understand the time frame, which how much it has been reduced, and everybody is happy with that.